Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of those constant Poshmark notifications cluttering your phone or inbox in 2025, you're in the right place. Poshmark is a fantastic app for buying and selling fashion, but let's face it, notifications can get overwhelming. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn them off, so you can enjoy a more peaceful experience. Let's jump right in. First, if you're using the Poshmark app on your iPhone or Android device, start by opening the app. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your account page. Next, look for the Settings or Account Settings option. It's often under a gear icon. Once there, scroll down to the Notifications section. You'll see a list of different notification types, like new listings, messages, or sales alerts. Simply toggle off the ones you don't want. For example, if you're only interested in messages, turn off everything else. Now, if you're accessing Poshmark through a web browser on your computer, log into your account first. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Head over to the Notifications tab, where you can manage email notifications and push alerts. Uncheck the boxes for the ones you'd like to disable. Easy peasy. One quick tip. Sometimes, notifications are controlled by your device's settings too. On iOS, go to your phone's Settings app, tap Notifications, find Poshmark in the list, and turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. For Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, Poshmark, Notifications, and adjust from there. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow the same steps in reverse. There you have it. Your Poshmark experience just got a lot quieter. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.